Cleburne Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 143-2 Zulu. Wind 200 at 7 knots. Visibility 9er. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 29 Celsius. Dew point 24 Celsius. Altimeter 2987 inches of mercury. Remarks: density altitude 3100.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 15 departing 15 turnout to the west, Cleburne.
Shadow Hills traffic, Cessna 73910, about 10 miles to the east, inbound for pattern 10 miles to the west, inbound for pattern 1.
Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, regional approach.
Cessna 172, about 6 southwest of Cleburne. Charlie Papa Tango, request flight following direct to Brownwood. Bravo Whiskey, Delta 6500.
02 Victor, Roger. You're outside of my airspace. Contact the Fort Worth Center, 127.15.
12715, 02 Victor. Thank you. Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 1082 Victor, Fort Worth Center, are you looking for a flight follow?
Affirmative.
Skyhawk 82 Victor, clock 3461.
Say again, 3461.
You got it, 3461.
Fort Worth Center, call letters are 1802 Victor.
Is it 1802 Victor?
Affirmative.
Okay, 1802 Victor, clock code of 3461.
3461, 02 Victor.
Skylane 1802 Victor, later contact 15 miles south of Granbury Airport, say altitude.
Say again to 02 Victor.
November 02 Victor, what is your altitude and where are you going?
5,800, destination Brownwood, Bravo, Whiskey, Delta.
November 02 Victor, Roger, maintain VFR, Stephenville, altimeter 2990.
2990, 02 Victor, thank you. Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 6500.
November 1802 Victor, Fort Worth Brownwood, altimeter 2980.
2988, 02 Victor.
Brownwood Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 1513 Zulu. Weather. Wind 19 at 244. Visibility 7. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point 22 Celsius.
Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Brownwood in sight.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, Roger. Radar services terminated. Squawk 1200. Change advisor. Approaches approved. You have a good day.
Appreciate your help today. Switch to VFR. Brownwood traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor 10 East landing, Brownwood. Brownwood traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, final 17, full stop, Brownwood.
Brownwood Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 1524 Zulu weather. Wind 200 at 7.
Sir, you're going to have to go back to Charlie to get across here.
Roger that. So I'll back taxi 17 to the north end.
Yes, sir, that's correct there. Yeah, the first taxiway up there will be open.
Okay. That's what I'll do. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Brownwood Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 1622 Zulu weather. Wind 200 at 7. Visibility 9er. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 32 Celsius. 2.21 Celsius. Altimeter 29er. Remarks. Density altitude 3,700.
Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
In the Skyhawk that tried to call, are you looking for a flight following? If so, give me the call sign again.
November 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 02 Victor, Fort Worth Center, squawk 2371.
2371.
Skyline 02 Victor, radar contact 5 miles east of Brownwood Airport, say altitude.
5,000 feet, 02 Victor.
November 02 Victor, that checks. What is your destination today?
02 Victor, destination Cleburne, Charlie, Papa, Tango at 5,500.
November 02 Victor, Roger, Brownwood altimeter 29er 89er.
9er 8 9er, 02 Victor.